Alright, hold on. Here, hold on, hold back.
Ooh.
Let me make sure that the bridge is still there. The water's really moving.
I'll wait.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I don't know what's on the other side of that bridge.
A mystery.
Yeah, I don't want to just jump into a mystery.
It looks so cool.
Ooh. Yeah. I'm not walking through it, I can tell you that much. Sorry guys, we're going back. I don't want to drop off the backside of that and there be nothing there. Tomorrow will be more venturous. Because we definitely got to cross it. And the four-wheel drive button is the little red one by your right thumb.
I mean left.
Oh, is it on your left thumb? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Left thumb.
You guys should go
Wait,
first.
it's on right. No, it's on
No,
right.
it's on the right thumb. It's the little red button there.
This one?
Yeah, that'd be four. If you push it in, it'd be a four-wheel drive. Little green light will come on the dash
Okay.
if you happen to need it.
Am I going first or you going
Well,
first?
you can go for now anyway. We know what's in front of us now. How you doing back there, Meg?
Good.
So your mask was fogging up, huh?
Yeah, badly.
So is mine.
Yeah, just leave them cracked open some. The humidity's so high.
Then.
My glasses before we started fogged up a little bit, but now they've been good. Kirsten, is your dad ride then?
Yeah. My mom quit after she flipped
Wow, nice and easy. You don't have to yell at me. Your mom quit riding after your dad flipped it?
it. No, she flipped it.
Oh, so she got scared?
Yeah. She refused to get back on.
Yeah. I made Meg get back on right away to make sure she would get back on.
Yeah.
Just got to take your time, you know. If you ain't got nothing's a rush. We got all kinds of time, you know.
Yeah.
If you don't overdo it, then you don't end up upside down.
Unless it breaks.
Or unless it breaks. But that you can't hold against anybody. Nothing you can do unexpected. Just be glad we weren't going real fast that anybody got real hurt.
Yeah.
Or got hurt at all. Yeah, I learned a lesson there. I pull on them parts a lot harder now. Check on everything. But I was still, you know, that was a while ago. I was still learning too on what parts looked like when they were really bad and what they look like when they're good, you know.
Yeah.
Although that was a defect in the part, they had a recall on that part, so it necessarily wasn't my fault either.
You live and you learn.
Now be careful of the rocks in there.
Is this the one with all the rocks in it?
I don't know for sure. I do know that. I think it was because Meg wanted to go through it faster.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty bumpy. That was depressing. Put my shield down and everything.
Yeah, well.
Next time. Wait, maybe not.
Can't break nothing.
Yeah.
I feel like we're in the rainforest because it's like so foggy.
Yeah. A little bit of fog mixed in there. Spray yourself.
Yeah, big time.
All right. Like I said, the objective today is to hit Saxon, try to get to Saxon. There's a waterfall, I think, between here and there. I'm hoping to try to figure that out, too. I really don't have any written maps of Iron County here, so I'll be able to go on those and try to find some of the points of interest I wasn't able to do, but I'm hoping we get to Saxon. I'll be able to do some of that. Find some of those points of interest. Oh, that smell. Oh, kindling. Maybe we should have grabbed some of that and packed it away, huh? Some of the bark. Woo! I couldn't see it. It got so dark. The other one's really flowing there.
I'm like soaking.
Yeah, well, we gotta have to be careful on this one. I don't know if there's ground. I can see it. Like I said, the 4 inches of rain yesterday. Everything's flowing hard. Hold on, Meg. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm
Let me get
back.
let me try to get a picture of you. It was all pretty good there. Bring her on, baby. Oh! Oh, we're gonna get wet. That was a pretty good one. Now, you wish you had your rain jacket on so you're not soaked?
I don't feel it.
Okay.
Not yet.
Woo! Don't go fast through there, Meg. I mean, come, but don't splash through there. That's serious water there. I don't want nothing happening. Pushing some serious water. That little machine gets a little deep on that one.
Yeah.
They got like a bridge built under there. Way when they're running their trucks and cars through there, they're not getting stuck. Whoa! The bridge is more to the right, Meg. You all right back there?
Yeah. Wait, if you're talking to me.
Yeah. Well. All right.
I just ran over a bunch of butterflies.
Bunch of butterflies?
Yeah, there was like 3 on the ground.
You run them over?
Yeah.
Well, at least they weren't frogs.
I ran too many of those over last time.
Where that airplane crash is. There's where the airplane crash is. We'll go up and look at it.
There we can have a fire.
Yeah. There's a memorial we can walk up to. Oh, we're about to get wet. I would like you to get me a picture of me sitting in front of there too with this camera, Meg, when we're done. Now what happened here now exactly? Did you read it?